Is your Range Rover SV key fob unresponsive? The most common culprit is a dead CR2032 battery. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing this issue. First, confirm the problem isn't a simple connectivity glitch by trying to reprogram the fob. Hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds until your vehicle responds. If that doesn't work, proceed with a battery replacement. This DIY fix resolves about 85% of key fob issues. You'll need a CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, or plastic pry tool. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely before you begin. If the remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, it might indicate a circuit board issue requiring professional assistance. Replacing the battery in your Range Rover SV key fob is a simple process. First, locate the seam on the fob's back, typically near the key ring. Gently pry open the case using your tool, starting opposite the buttons. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity, positive side up. Insert the new battery correctly. Snap the case back together securely. Test the buttons to ensure functionality. If any issues persist, double-check the battery seating and polarity, or consider taking your fob to a professional for further diagnosis.